Hi, Unbox here. If you're into collecting steelbooks, 4K, Blu-rays, please subscribe. So here it is, the Dark Knight Ultimate Collector's Edition. Runtime is 152 minutes. Aspect ratio 2.4 to 1. And as usual with Christopher Nolan is only master audio 5.1. Let's take a look inside. Comes with a steelbook and some extra stuff. We begin with a steelbook. Quite nice. Spine. Backside. There's the 4K disc. Blu-ray disc. Special features. Inside is the cycle tumbler. Very nice steelbook. Is the other stuff. Just a little book. Scenes from the movie. And there's a poster. Double-sided. Quite nice. It's a playing card. This card. Nice. And there's several lobby cards. Scenes from the movie. Yes. Okay. Take a look at the case. That's how it looks. Yes, so there it is, Dark Knight Ultimate Collector's Edition. Please like the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.